Can keratoconus cause headaches? Absolutely. Essentially, anything that causes a corneal distortion, a distortion of the vision, a serious corneal change like keratoconus that causes distorted images to come into the eye, that is transmitted to the brain. The brain then has to actually process all this and make as much sense of it as it can. You overload that, it's kind of like overloading a processor. It's not gonna, bad things are gonna happen and you get a headache. Simple thing is, it's like strain. You're constantly straining to make images out. The brain is constantly working to make out what it's getting to decrease the distortion. There is cerebral processing that goes on with the images that come in. The eyes don't see, the brain sees. So if the brain's unhappy, it can manifest itself as a headache because it's just working so hard to try to do this processing.